everybody. This is Panini Signature Series, random team number 3. We did modify some of the descriptions on this break, ladies and gentlemen. We did change it to a 28 spot break. We did pair Cavaliers, Heat, and Raptors. We did remove the Nuggets and Nets. And we separated NIL by men and women's on this one. The NIL men's would also include the Ludacris spot, just the FYI. And then we're doing a free giveaway. So good luck. Guam Chief sponsoring a free team giveaway. Good luck, guys. 9 times. 9 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 final. Guam Chief on the bottom. Ryan Dean's Coffee Company is up top. Thank you, Ryan and Gypsy Souls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 final. Pistons on the bottom. Timberwolves up top. The Guam Chief gave away the Portland Trail Blazers for one lucky guess in this break. Thank you, Guam. We all really appreciate it, regardless if it's $1,000 team or a $10 team. I'm sure everybody appreciates the gesture. Top spot wins, guys. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th and final. Aussie Ryan gets the Blazers. Thank you to the Guam Chief. And who knows, we might turn that into a Grail card for Blez Online. Let's see. Anybody but Ryan. I can redo the random if you'd like. Okay. We'll start in 1 quick minute, guys. Let me just organize my box and we're let me do this. Go. All right, Guam, do me a favor. You want to go left stack or right stack? Where are we going? Where are we feeling, Guam? Where are we feeling? What is the lucky wife feeling? Left stack. All right. Lefty Lucy. Oh, because the bottom stack. Yeah, I mean, that might have been me. You know me, when I dump boxes, I just... Thank you, guys. This is going to be my last break of the day, guys. The main channel is off. You can hang out with Mrs. Hamo on Pop. Can I hang out with Brown and Bobo on the baseball channel? I'll be back on tomorrow at 6 a.m. And then Blue will be live on the TCG channel for you Pokemon, One Piece, Marvel, and all that other fun jazz. Guam, thank you guys very much. And somebody please remind me to do the Blez Online giveaway after this, because I might forget. Good luck, guys. Cockbrenner to 199. They didn't do him any better neither. He kind of looks like a statue. He kind of looks like he belongs in Night at the Museum. He also looks like he just had some lettuce. A very special form of lettuce. Christian Collins, NIL Men's. LJ Cryer, Warriors. Red of Malawak for Phoenix. We have not seen anything lower than number to 10. The Sarah Strong to 10 so far was the only number to 10 low numbered. No 1 of 1s, no number to 5s yet. Malik Thomas NIL to 199. That's cool. The mailman, Carmelo to 55 for the Jazz, JP. Chris Webber to 65, Sacramento. And our profiles of Asa, speaking of number to 10 for the Hawks. No sack is on the board with the Asa to 10. Don't tell Bill Kitson. Kitson gonna get mad at you. Don't tell Bill Kitson. Last stack. Trey Johnson at 199. Ja to 75. VJ Edgecombe to 99. There's the first VJ for Nodak. And a true blue of Malawak again to 25. Phoenix doing actually pretty solid this break. Let's see our autographs. Still no 1 of 1s yet. Kind of have a feeling the low numbered stuff would fly though in this kind of product. Here we go. See some autos. Okay, the only thing I have a gripe about is I cannot fit my freaking fingers. Oh, kind of looks like a sneaker spotlight. Okay. 75-27 rebounds, 4708 assists, 26,000 points. Signature stats. That sounds pretty badass. Oh, that's sick. It's Pierce. 14-25 Celtics. The Guam Chief with the on card. That's pretty sick. Okay, I dig that card. I dig that card. I dig that. Lots of redemptions. I want to see the damn card. Rookie patch autograph silver again to the Hawks. And that's crazy because there's a piece of hair. There's literally a piece of hair inside of the one touch. It's again Asanua for no sacks. You have somebody's eyelash in there, guarantee. Right there where my thumb is. That's funny. And we will end this. Oh, what is this? Signature Series rookie endorsements to 25? It's a Celtic again. That's pretty badass. Celtics have a break. Guam Chief. It's the first rookie autograph we've seen live. It's Hugo Gonzalez. Who that? Yo, what's up? Hey, congratulations.
Thank you.
That's disgusting. That's cool. Vamos Celtics. That was a Celtics 3-boxer. You picked that one too, Guam Chief. You picked that one too. Guam, I'm going to smash your seal because the seal is loose on this. If you can't tell, so I'm just going to smash it. Hope nobody gets mad at me for that. That is cool. That is super cool. That was the break. Rookie patch auto of Asa Newell. Paul Pierce and Brother Hugo. I'll throw that in a beat the sort for you, Guam. Put that one in a beat the sort for you. And that was Signature Series number 3. Take care, guys. 4. That will go tomorrow. Let's do your guys' Blez Online giveaway before I forget. Because I already know if I don't say that now, I'm going to forget. And turn off the video. All right, here we go. Let's get somebody a banger. I don't know why my freaking randoms are taking forever to load. There you go. All right, here we go. $29 basketball pack. Good luck, everybody. Thank you guys very much again. Let's see. Can we hit a grail, please? Grail me. Grail. Grail. For the Jazz. Up and coming autograph. It's Grayson Allen. That looks like the rookie. 2018. Is that a rookie? Yeah, it is. Rookie 2018-19. Grayson Allen. To 199. Rookie contenders. Yes. Ah! I'm tired of hitting $10 cards. I want to hit you guys something bigger and then brag about it. All right. Let's give it away. Dice roll 7 times. Yeah, for the most part, you know, I deal with so many cards and sets nowadays. Sometimes I just forget. Top spot wins it. 1, 2. How many times am I supposed to random? 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th and final. And it goes to Roasted in Tempe with the Cavaliers, Heat, and Raptors spot. Thank you guys very much.